Now we're going to turn to our announcement section. Austin, are there any announcements this week?
This week there are no announcements, but what Warren has done is recently 4th of July rolled around, and Warren has recorded some fireworks from his town on a Pixel 6. And if you like to listen to fireworks, I mean, the recording is so spectacular, you can literally see those firecrackers being burnt in front of you. So if you want to listen to them, you can stay tuned to the end of the podcast, and after everything is done, then we will add those fireworks.
Yeah.
That is
Thank
the
you, Austin.
announcements.
And by
Anchor
the
will be
way,
annoying and render them in mono, but yeah, they should still be good, I think.
now, by the way, that thing is on, on the what Ed would like to call the Fisher Prize. I had a very nice recording on my Pixel.
Did it record in stereo? I think the Fisher Price does even record in stereo, doesn't it?
Oh, well, Pixel
Surprisingly.
has been recording in stereo for years. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but on the podcast, what I'm saying is it's not Fisher Price's fault, but Anchor will render it mono.
Oh, does Anchor do that? Render it in mono?
But
it does.
Yeah, but YouTube will render it in stereo. Just so you know.
Anchor will render it mono. Anchor renders everything mono.
What a shame.
I know, it's very annoying.
What a shame.
Yeah. So much as I hate Fisher Price, underwhelming phones, it isn't actually the Fisher Price's fault on this occasion. Odd though that feels to me.
Oddly enough, yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
rubbish though they are. I'd much rather have a Xiaomi Dragosh than if it's a Fisher Price.
I didn't know Fisher Price made phones.
That's what I call Google Pixels. I just don't rate them. I think they're awful plastic nonsense.
I don't know where he's getting the plastic
Fisher Price is Pixel. The phones we don't like.
I don't like Google phones. They're a search company, not a hardware company. They should stop.
I agree.
No, you guys haven't seen the Pixel 6 series, so just
she almost had a Pixel though. Sarah
just shut up, guys.
We'll find out what Sarah has in a minute. We'll hold the suspense.
Yeah, but it's spectacular. I mean, if need be, I don't know, we could upload it somewhere, but it's just absolutely beautiful. You're not gonna enjoy it in mono because if you have it in stereo, you have some sound even coming from like in front or behind you. If you're using headsets, it's just beautiful.
So as Fee said, you can get it on the YouTube channel if Austin puts it up there. That will be stereo, but the podcast, annoyingly, won't be.
There we go.